So to be able to sketch a curve, you need to get the intercepts, you also need to get the stationary point, and finally determine the nature of the stationary points. And then you can be able now to plot or to sketch the curve. So I'd like you to sketch the following curves. Sketch the following curves. Sketch the following curves. So we have number 1, y is equal to 3 minus x squared. Number 2, we have y is equal to x squared minus 3x raised to power 3. Then finally, number 3, we have y is equal to x into bracket x minus 2 squared. So ensure that you sketch the following curves. That is, 1, get the intercepts, x and y intercepts, then the stationary point or points, the stationary point. There can be more than one. Finally, you get the nature of the stationary point, and then finally you come and sketch your curve to show the general features or the general shape of the curve. Thank you for being attentive throughout the lesson.